Your headset can connect to different types of devices such as smartphones, laptops, the HearLink transmitter, and more. This video will explain how to pair and connect it with these devices. Before using BeHear for the first time with a Bluetooth device, you must pair it. There are two ways to do this: using the dedicated BeHear app, or using the standard pairing procedure in the Bluetooth device itself. The benefit of using the app is that it displays only relevant BeHear devices in the pairing list. To pair your device using the BeHear app, first download the Wear and Hear BeHear app from the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. To learn more about the app, watch this video. When the device is not yet paired, the default screen of the app is the connection screen. When the headset is in pairing mode, you will see BeHear NOW as the name of an available connection. First, make sure the headset is powered off. Then, press and hold the power on button for approximately 5 seconds. This will put the headset in pairing mode as evidenced by the alternating blue-red LED. If you are wearing the headset, you will also hear a voice prompt.
Pairing mode active.
If you use an iPhone or other iOS device, you can fast forward this video to the time shown on the screen. If you use an Android device, follow these steps.
Next, launch the app. Notice the serial number written under the name of the connection, which will match the serial number printed on the headset. Once you tap on the BeHear NOW connection, the phone will pair with the headset and the screen will change to the home screen of the app. If you are wearing the headset, you will also hear a message saying connected. You can go back to the connection screen by tapping on the menu and then tapping connection. You will now see your BeHear NOW in the paired section with a check mark indicating it is now connected. By tapping the name, you can disconnect the headset. You can reconnect by tapping it again.
To pair an iPhone or other iOS device, follow these steps. Use the Bluetooth section of the Settings application on your phone to add BeHear NOW to the list of My Devices. Now, launch the Wear and Hear BeHear application. In the list of available devices, look for the product name BeHear NOW. Select Pair and wait for 2 to 3 seconds to complete the synchronization. When the BeHear NOW device is connected, the application will display the home screen.
Your headset remembers up to 8 different devices. So, once a device is paired, you can connect without having to enter pairing mode. In fact, your headset will now connect automatically when the device is within range, provided that Bluetooth is on. Your headset will vibrate as confirmation. If you want to unpair the device, tap the trash can and choose OK. You will need to put the headset back into pairing mode in order to pair and connect it again. For pairing with a standard Bluetooth device, I'll demonstrate with the Windows Bluetooth menu. However, this applies to all Bluetooth devices, each with their own menu. Make sure the headset is off and place it in pairing mode by pressing the power on button for approximately 5 seconds until the LED flashes in alternating red-blue. Enter the Devices menu in the Windows Settings screen. Then choose Bluetooth and Other Devices. Make sure the laptop's Bluetooth is on. Click on Add Bluetooth or Other Devices, then on Bluetooth. You will now see a list of all the available Bluetooth devices. When you see BeHear NOW, click it. The device will now be paired and connected to the laptop. You will see it under Audio in the Bluetooth menu of your laptop. From now on, your headset will connect automatically to the device when they are within Bluetooth range and the device's Bluetooth is on. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, contact us here.